When you use a multi-file project using make utility, the debugger use is the same. So let me show you that. Open another folder, CPP project. P3 is such case. So here you have a main program there, and then company class definition, and then car class definition, and so on. So here is a make a file. Be sure to add the -G option so that debugger symbols are created. Otherwise, a debugger will not work. View, terminal, as I do make. It's all compiled in main program. Let me set breakpoint here, and then you need to configure debugger configuration, C++ GDB, and default configuration. Double check GDB launch is there, and then delete enter program name, for example. So leave from $. So configuration is done. Then we can start the debugger. So program execution stops here. Step over. Car class is a constructor will be called at that moment. So I can do step into, then car constructor is there. Now step out, go back to the main program, step over, and then C1 that gets set guess, step into, corresponding member function. We can jump into step over, we return where we were left off, and the like. So exactly the same way you can debug, but one thing you need to keep in mind is that the make file, you should have a -G option so that debugger symbol is included in a.out file.